Hello kids, welcome back to English class. Today our topic is adverb. Children, do you want to know why adverb is an important part of speech and why should we learn it? Well, this group of words in English language gives your audience some exciting and important information. On top of that, these words vastly improve your vocabulary while allowing you to describe what's happening around you. So, are you ready to expand your language skills? Let's dive right in, starting with adverb definition. So, what are adverbs? An adverb modifies and tells us more about the verb. It tells us when, where, or how the action takes place. Let us look at few examples. He ate his dinner quickly. Here, quickly tells us how the action happens. That is, quickly describes or modifies the action word ate. Quickly is an adverb. Let's look at another example. Many puppies are playing outside. In this example, outside is describing or modifying the main verb playing. Here, outside is an adverb. Let us look at one more example. My father came home early. In this example, early describes the action word came. Here, early is an adverb. So children, now that you have understood or got an idea about adverb, let us learn about them in detail. In this video, we will learn about three types of adverbs. Adverbs of time or frequency, adverbs of place or direction, adverbs of manner. Starting with adverb of time. Adverbs of time or frequency indicate time or the frequency of the action in the sentence. They answer the question, when is the action performed? Always, never, often, regularly, now, frequently, seldom, before, Sunday, Monday, 10 a.m., 12 p.m., etc. are common adverbs of time or frequency. Now let's see how to find out adverbs of time in a sentence. Let's look at an example. Sita ate ice cream yesterday. So if we ask a question, when did Sita eat ice cream? We get the answer, yesterday. Yesterday is an adverb of time because it is telling us when did Sia eat ice cream, and it is modifying the verb ate. Let's look at one more example. I go to school regularly. So if we ask a question, when do I go to school? We get the answer, regularly. Regularly is an adverb of time that tells us when or how often do I go to school. It is modifying the main verb go. So this is how we find out adverbs of time in a sentence. Let's look at few more examples. I'm going to tidy my room tomorrow. It really rains in the desert. He will come soon. He often goes for long walks. Here the words tomorrow, rarely, soon and often are adverbs of time. Coming to adverbs of place. Children, adverbs of place or direction indicate place or direction of the action in the sentence. They answer the question, where is the action performed? Across, over, there, around, here, sideways, upstairs, near, away, nearby, everywhere are some common adverbs of place or direction. Now let us look at few examples to find out how to find adverbs of place in a sentence. Let us look at the following example. Jane is keeping her toys inside the box. So, where Jane is keeping her toys? Yes, inside the box. Here inside is the adverb of place since it is telling us where is Jane keeping her toys, and it is modifying or describing or giving extra information about the verb keeping. Let us look at one more example. Sita is going outside. So, where is Sita going? Yes, the answer is outside. Outside is the adverb of place that is telling us where is Sita going. Thus, it is adverb of place and it is modifying the verb going. So, this is the way we find out adverbs of place in a sentence. Let us look at few more examples. She is sitting upstairs. My grandfather's house is nearby. She looked everywhere. The book is kept here. The treasure lies somewhere on the ocean bed. Here, upstairs, nearby, everywhere, here, somewhere are the adverbs of place. Coming to adverbs of manner, the third type of adverb. The adverbs that express the manner of the action in the sentence are called adverbs of manner. They answer the question, how is the action performed? Beautifully, equally, thankfully, carefully, quickly, nicely, eagerly, smartly, etc. are common adverbs of manner. Let us look at few examples to find out how to find adverbs of manner in a sentence. I opened the door hurriedly. So, how did I open the door? Yes, the answer is hurriedly. Hurriedly is an adverb of manner since it is telling us how did I open the door and it is modifying the main verb opened. Let us look at one more example. Dora ate the cake greedily. So, how did Dora eat the cake? Yes, the answer is greedily. Greedily is the adverb of manner since it is telling us how did Dora eat the cake and it is modifying or describing the main verb ate. So children, this is how we find out adverb of manner in a sentence. Children, very often adverbs of manner are adjectives with ly added to the end. For example, she wrote the exam neatly. They walked quickly to catch the train. The dinner party went badly. John answered the question correctly. Here, the words neatly, quickly, badly, correctly are adverbs that are formed by adding ly to the adjectives neat, quick, bad, correct, respectively. So, we can form adverbs by adding ly to the adjectives. But certainly, it is not the case always. Some adverbs of manner take the same spelling as that of the adjective. Let us look at few examples. It is a fast car. Here, fast is an adjective that is modifying the noun car. He drives very fast. Here, fast is an adverb that is modifying the verb drives. Let us look at one more example. This is a hard exercise. Here, hard is an adjective that is modifying the noun exercise. He works hard. Here, hard is an adverb that is modifying the verb works. Similarly, we saw many high buildings. Here, high is an adjective. The bird flew high in the sky. Here, high is an adverb. So, children, hope you have understood adverbs and its type. Go through the video lesson again to understand it better. Thank you, children. Take care.